In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business website using Base44. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to app.base44.com. Base44 is designed to build complete professional business websites in minutes, including your homepage, services, testimonials, and more. The magic here is that you guide the builder with plain language prompts, and it assembles a working multi-page site for you. Once you're in, create your first prompt. You can keep it simple and clear, like create a professional business website that includes pages for home, about, services, testimonials, and contact. That one sentence gives Base44 the structure it needs. For best results, add a bit of context in the same prompt, such as your industry, the tone you want to convey, and a short overview of your services. This helps the initial draft feel relevant right away, so you can focus on polish instead of starting from scratch. After the first generation, you'll notice the site is already well built and presentable. Navigation works, sections are laid out coherently, and it's suitable for a client demo straight from that single prompt. Take a quick tour of the pages to confirm everything's there. The homepage hero, an about section, services highlights, testimonials, and a contact page. Next, refine the design with a second prompt aimed at visual polish. Ask Base44 to improve spacing, typography, text alignment, and image placement. This pushes the layout toward cleaner vertical rhythm, better font hierarchy, and consistent alignment across sections. You'll see that white space feels intentional. Headings and body text are easier to scan, and images sit in the right places without crowding your copy. This pass is all about clarity and legibility, so if anything still feels tight or uneven, reiterate your preferences in the same refinement prompt. Before you publish, ensure the site is fully responsive and fast loading. In your prompt, request responsiveness across desktop, tablet, and mobile, and ask it to optimize image sizes. Then preview the site and scan a few key breakpoints. Check that buttons remain tappable, text reflows without awkward breaks, and images don't overflow their containers. Keep an eye on consistency too. Colors, spacing, and typography should match from page to page so the brand feels cohesive. When you're happy with how it looks and performs, click Publish to generate the final output. Give it a last glance to confirm everything aligns properly, then you're done. Congratulations, you've just created a professional business website with Base44, starting from a single prompt and finishing with a polished, responsive design ready to share.